Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. We're just going to take you through SN440. This is one of our strategies trading on crude oil. Now, this is one of our swing trading strategies. It's running on a 15-minute chart, and we'll do an update for this week because it's been tracking really well for a long time now, and it's just been very consistent. It does have it's losing weeks, as every strategy does, but on a smaller account, this is perfect because it's just very consistent. So if we have a look at the periodic returns here, it's running on the trend trader as we know. So for those of you who are running the trend trader system, it's nice, it's simple, it's very effective, and if you pick a market that's got a low point value, then it becomes very manageable as far as the smaller account portfolio. So on this particular strategy here, you can see its average losing trade, or its losing trade risk is 345, so negative 1R is 345, and we mentioned that in our live training this week that we spoke a little bit about our positive and negative 1R, and we wanted to make sure that when we are running a system that we identify what our max circuit breaker is, so our max drawdown, and also what our daily circuit breaker is, so how much are we prepared to risk per day on a strategy before we turn that day off. So if we go back into the performance report, if I scroll down here, which I will, you'll see that our max risk on the system is 1745, so around about $1,800. So that's that's sitting in and being able to trade on a smaller account, so potentially a 10 or 20k account that's tradable. And then you've got some of the benchmarks that we look for. The average winning trade 276. Obviously the longs are doing exceptionally well. Shorts not as good, but still performing well. 51% strike rate, or almost 52. And then you've got our profit factor of 2.84. So we've been tracking this system for over 12 months. It runs at about one trade per week, so it's not going to turn the account over quickly, but it does chip away, and as I said before, the performance has been very, very good. So a nice consistent performer. SN440, this is one of our benchmark systems, and just continuing to do really well. If you haven't looked at the system before and you're obviously in the membership group, jump into Dropbox. It's available in our top 10 portfolios, so our 10k portfolio. So download that system and you can run the settings and track that in simulation first, and then obviously once you get comfortable you can trade that live as well. So just a good system and just a general update there for our members. Cheers.